Well, good morning, everybody. This is Rebel Scoutmaster again. It'll be a little bit of a different video today. Hadn't really thought this out that well, which is probably not a great idea, but trying to come up with some different content. So, you know, I do the moto vlogs from time to time, and doing some I had done some install videos on my Rebel when I had the Rebel. I haven't really changed a whole lot on this bike so far, but I had it was a throttle lock that I had on my Rebel that was called an Atlas throttle lock, and it was awesome. I should have removed it when I sold the bike, but I actually sold it with the bike, which that's fine. I wanted to get another one, but I thought I would give this other little device here a try. This is called a Go Cruise 2. It's a pretty cheap little replacement throttle lock. It does work. It is a little different. So they say you're supposed to push down on this while you're going, and there's your throttle lock. Now, no matter what I do, it does still slip, and I've seen a few things on the internet on how to fix that. Tightening it up a little bit more and whatnot. But it seems to work okay. You know, long enough for you to shake your hand out while you're going down the road and all that. So I wasn't going to make this video just yet, because I've actually got some new grips. I got some Avon grips on the way, so I will do a install video on the Avon grips that are coming in probably next. So I just wanted to talk about this a little bit, and that it does work. You know, it just is a little finicky. You can actually push it with your thumb, I believe. Seems to work better for me if I push it with my thumb. And it does slip a little bit, but then once it sets, it kind of stays in the right place. So the only difference between this and the Atlas throttle lock is the Atlas actually has a button to release, and it just turns loose. And I probably will upgrade to that one at some point. I just wanted to give this one a shot. It's cheap. It was like $20 or something like that on Amazon. So I figured, hey, what the heck? $20 is a lot cheaper than $147, like what the cost is for that the Atlas. But it does work flawlessly. So you can't say enough good things about the Atlas. Just haven't used this one enough really to get it dialed in. So it's great to at least, you know, relax your hand a little bit. So right now on my channel I have about 90 subscribers, and of course, like everybody else, I'm trying to grow my channel, grow my content. Of course, by growing my content, I'm trying to grow my channel and grow my subscribers. So if you would, please ring the bell, subscribe, like my videos if you do, don't like them if you don't. That lets me know what you guys want to see. So if you want to see more moto vlogs, riding around the back roads, then that's what I will do. If you want to see more install videos, of course I'm going to do my install videos anyway. Just if you don't like those, then you may just have to skip over that. So like I said, if you would, like, subscribe, share, ring the bell, do all the things. I do have a Patreon link down in the box below, which I am trying to get some new moto vlogging equipment. A newer GoPro, because this one's pretty old. It doesn't even have the stabilization thing or whatever it is. I don't know if the new ones have. This one's like a 3. So it barely gets the job done. I think I recorded like 2.7, and then I have to like shrink it down in size so that there's decent quality and I can still upload it at 1080p. So follow me on Patreon. I do have some exclusive content that will be going up there. You can follow me on Instagram, rebel_scoutmaster, and also am a brand ambassador for Throttle Addict. So if you want to hit that up too, Throttle Addict's pretty cool clothing company. They have a lot of motorcycle related clothing. And if you use the code Rebel Scoutmaster, you'll get 15% off your whole order. And I think if you order over a certain amount, you get free shipping too. I'm not sure yet. So anyway, pretty nice looking sunrise this morning. A little personal information about me. So I went to the shoulder doctor yesterday, orthopedic. I'm having issues with my shoulder. Basically, we're going to do some exercises on it to try to figure out what the deal is. Kind of what he called a frozen shoulder. As long as I can get on the motorcycle and ride, right? That's all that matters. Well, he kind of diagnosed me with a frozen shoulder, so it's in the thawing stage, as he like to call it, and basically will continue to have limited range of motion in my right shoulder until I stretch it out enough, and hopefully this will alleviate the range of motion issue, because it's kind of frustrating. Sometimes you can't reach and can't even reach and do something because your arm won't go. And it's not like it's my dominant hand anyway. I'm left-handed, so anyway, enough about that. Doesn't bother me while I'm riding. Also planned up for videos. I am actually going to adjust the shocks on here. Preload, set the preload properly. It's supposed to be like 282 millimeters, and it's at it's probably 290 or something like that. There's only about one thread showing, and I never really thought that I would make, I'd try to do that, but and the ride's not bad, but if it can be better, then I definitely want the ride to be better than what I currently have. I have no complaints about the way it feels compared to the Rebel, because it was stiff, it would buck you off, and it only had, set preload areas. It didn't have, adjustable. Well, it was adjustable, it just wasn't that kind of adjustability. well, not quite. And then I think I said, like on my last video, I kind of found Saddle Tramp in a roundabout way through the Scooter Tramp Scotty video. And like I said, I think he lives just around the corner from me. And that dog every single day will chase after you. Anyway, found him through a roundabout way. Like I said, I think he lives just a few miles away from me, so I'd love to hit that up. We can maybe do a ride or something one day. That would be kind of cool. I like all those old bikes you work on there. I think it's pretty awesome. I wish I had that kind of knowledge and mechanical ability, I guess. I can do some things. I just certainly couldn't tear into a primary or something like that, tear the transmission apart on something. But, you know,